It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for beer with a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? So,
Hi, my name is Steve. I'm Sandy's husband, and today I wanted to talk to you about my favorite gluten-free beer. Gluten can create inflammation in the body, and sometimes my puppet master has gluten sensitivities, and she has to avoid it for a while. If you have an autoimmune disease, such as lupus, multiple sclerosis, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, celiac disease, irritable bowel syndrome, or there are a lot of other autoimmune diseases. If you have an autoimmune disease, chances are you will probably be very sensitive to gluten or you can't have it at all. So, I wanted to show you this beer. It tastes really good and it's great. Okay, so I used to be a big fan of Red's, that apple cider beer, but I was having bad reactions to it because I've had problems with candida and overgrowth of yeast and inflammation and stuff like that. So I can't really, like, the gluten in the beer really just bothers my body. I always have a bad reaction when I drink beer. So this is actually the only beer that I've been able to find that is gluten-free that I don't have a reaction to. And I found out that the Red's apple ale that I thought was gluten-free actually isn't gluten-free. And actually it was a little too sweet for my taste anyways. I like this stuff better because it's not, overwhelmingly sweet. And it's gluten-free. So it's great for those autoimmune sensitivities and just gluten sensitivities if you just have gluten sensitivities and you're not sure why. Beer isn't very good for women's health because of if she has, the yeast problems and the candida and stuff. So that's why, the gluten-free beer is good for that. So I don't drink that much beer, but this is what I go to when I do. So I hope you guys like the video, and like if you like the video, and comment if you have any recommendations for other gluten-free beer that tastes good that you think that I would like. All right, take care.